How to hide who you follow on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide who you follow on your Twitter app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Twitter app. Now once you're in your Twitter app, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here. Then here scroll down and tap on settings and support. Then again scroll down a little bit and tap on settings and privacy. And then here in settings you have to tap on privacy and safety. Then here in privacy and safety tap on audience and tagging. And now here you have to turn on protect your tweets. So once you turn on tap here. Only your current followers and people who you approve in future will be able to see your tweets, and also the people you follow on Twitter. So once you turn on, you will be able to hide who you follow on your Twitter. And so this is how you can hide who you follow on your Twitter. Thanks for watching.